Hey guys, it's RJ the Tech Reviewer here, back with another video. And today we're actually going to be opening up a package that I have received from a company called Fintie, I guess, or Fintie. This is what it is. Alrighty. It's a nice metal band. Now time to open it up. I'm going to try and keep this video as short as possible. So, here we go. Let's try and open it from the other end, actually. Just a smidge easier, actually, from this opposite end. So, let's open it up. Alright. Here it is. Nice metal band. Feels nice too. It's got a nice texture to it. This is actually going to be hooking up into my Gear S2. It's got a little bit of heft to it actually too. So let's put this to the side. One last look before I put it to the side. Okay. And there is actually instructions in this. And it's very small, actually. Insert spring into the long slot. Okay. So let's try and test this. So I took my watch off. Now, let's unfasten these. Now, I'm gonna pause the video. So I actually found out that I don't need to put the springs in. I just have to attach this to the actual device. So now we're gonna take I'm gonna see how this works. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to attach it into the product, well, into my let me see something here. And now I'm going to take the other end of this and I'm going to attach it onto my Gear S2, I mean. So now we pull that off, and then we pull that out. I'm going to pull it out a little bit more. This wraps around my entire wrist pretty well, actually. It's not going to be falling off. It's giving it a bit of a tug, and it's not. This is not going to be busting anytime. This is not going to be breaking off anytime soon. It's pretty sturdy on there. So yeah. So that's been the unboxing and review of the Fintie watch band. Let's try and get it to focus. The Fintie watch band for the Gear S2. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright? Bye everyone.